Hi, welcome to my little world of baking. Today's recipe is peanut butter. It is very simple and easy to make at home. So let's see what are the ingredients required for making peanut butter. Here we need only three ingredients for this. Here I've taken 100 grams of peanuts, that is half a cup of peanuts. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar and we need oil. I'm using sunflower oil. It is better to use some flavorless oil, so I prefer using sunflower oil. I've taken a mixer here. I'm going to add peanuts and sugar to my mixer. Now I'm going to dry grind this and then come back. So now this is how it looks like after grinding. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to this. I'm going to grind it again. So this is how it looks like after grinding. You can look at the consistency of this. Mine is actually slightly coarse. You can keep it coarse or fine depending on how you like it. So this can be used on toast, cakes, cookies, ice creams, pretty much anything. I'm transferring mine to a glass jar. So our peanut butter is ready. I hope you all like it. Happy baking!